Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can remove pictures from the Samsung Galaxy A6 and A6 Plus. So first of all, let us go to the gallery because there are all the pictures, and and you can remove here the pictures, or you can remove it here from the albums, but it's the same way. So let us do it at the first category, the pictures. I want to remove maybe this picture here, the single one. Just let me tap on it. So you will see now here the trash can. So just go on the trash can and go then on delete to delete the pictures. In case it disappears, so just tap on the picture again and it will come back. So go down on the trash can and go now on delete, and the picture is gone. Okay, may I want to delete all these pictures here from my desktop, because we're just for test. So then let us go on one picture and hold it. So now, as you can see, it is marked. So, and now in the circle you can always mark also other pictures. Okay, and now if you have marked all the pictures you want to delete, go here on delete. So then you will ask you also if you are sure. Yeah, we want to delete, and the pictures are disappeared. And thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I could help you with it, and yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. Would be very helpful for more videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created some other videos next to me, and or maybe you want to subscribe, would be a pleasure as well. And thank you so much for watching this video, and may until next time. Ciao.